Hey guys, Brent from Adam again. So I wanted to talk to you today about this concept that has come up a couple times this week from potential clients about, hey, let's use my wife's divorce. We can just use my wife's divorce attorney to do our divorce case. So in other words, you're talking about a divorce, your wife is wanting to file for divorce, and she says, I've already hired an attorney. We don't need to both hire an attorney. Let's just use my attorney and we'll go forward that way. Okay, so you're probably getting the sense this is a bad idea. It is a bad idea, not that you should know that. This is not something you go through and not something you would know about. But to be clear, there's no using one attorney to do a divorce case. This would be kind of like you're gonna buy a house and you and the seller are gonna use the same realtor to buy the house. Well, that's not gonna work, right? So let's say the house is it's listed for $200,000 and you wanna offer $180,000 and you and the seller have the same realtor. I mean, how's that realtor supposed to give you advice? He's gonna tell you how much to offer, he's gonna tell the other person how much to accept. I mean, that's impossible. So same deal, it's a conflict of interest. It's not gonna work having you share an attorney. What's really going on when your wife says, hey, let's just use one attorney, is your wife will have an attorney and you will not. So you need to just be aware that that's really what we're talking about. So through that process, going to court, minimum of one time if there's no kids. If there's kids, you're really going to court more like 3 different times, knowing what to do at the court date and what's coming, what to expect, reviewing paperwork, reviewing documents. That's all going to be your burden if your wife has an attorney and you have no attorney. And you can imagine that's not going to go that well. You should at least get preliminary advice from an attorney. Of course, we can help you with that if you need it. You should at least get advice. Doesn't mean you have to hire somebody, but it's a start in the process to figuring out what's going on here and getting a sense of what to expect and how this all works. What's the process? What are the laws? How do they apply to your situation? And what should you expect? So this idea that you use just your wife's attorney, not a good idea. It's really going to be very misleading if they try to meet with both of you. It's probably unethical. In our opinion, my opinion, it's unethical to meet with both parties in a divorce case. It's really tricky. It's hard to do that and have the other person understand that you're not their lawyer. You say, look, I can't give you advice, but then of course you start asking questions. So you want to be very wary of this. Let's use my wife's lawyer and it's all good. It's not all good, it's all bad, is really probably the best way to say it, not all good. So something to keep in mind. I hope that helps. And please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you have any questions, of course, give us a call. Thanks for watching.